Hello, my name is Paul Emmanuel, URK22CS1054. This is the DevOps Laboratory experiment number 2, Docker container and images. So in this experiment, we are going to learn what is Docker and what are the containers, what are images. So basically, Docker is an open source platform that can enable containerization. So containerization means like we are packaging an app with its dependency along with it. So in a container we are doing that. So wherever we take the app and wherever we execute it, it can be executed flawlessly with so since it has the dependencies with the correct versions alongside with it. So comparing it to a virtual machine, uh, Docker is pretty fast since it does not consume more resources than a virtual machine does. Like running an entire OS, it just runs the container, so it's pretty fast compared to a virtual machine. So it is very well preferred. So before going to run or build a Docker image on your system, you should have a Docker desktop application installed in your system. So after installing Docker desktop application, you can navigate into your project folder and we can run the command. Like this is the command mainly used to run or build. This is the command to build a Docker image. So the command is docker space build space hyphen t space myweb colon v1. So myweb can be changed to any name you prefer, like my app or my new app, my website. So anything we can be specified. So this is also a different one. V1 is the version number and space dot. So after we run this command, it is going to build as a Docker image. So after building the Docker image, we can see that it has built as a Docker image with the name myweb v1, myweb colon v1. And for making it to run, we are going to run this command called docker space run hyphen d space hyphen p space the port number that we want our container to be run. So the port number we are specifying now is 8080 colon 80, and we have to specify our Docker container name. So after we hit the enter button, it is going to start running our container on the port 8080 colon 80. So if we visit this localhost 8080, we can see that we have a container that is successfully running with so the container has a sample HTML page that we can write inside our project folder like index.html. This is a sample code, and now I have written a resume based code. So it has displayed my resume code here, sample code here. Now it is running locally. So we can see that Docker is pretty useful to run, um, and it is very lightweighted and it's fast and very effective. And Docker is pretty much used in every applications that we used in our daily life. So thank you.